Hello, awesome students. Good morning.
Good morning, sir.
How are you today?
We are doing good, sir.
Oh, that's nice to hear from you. Okay, can you tell what is behind me?
There is a board behind you, sir.
Good. What is its color?
It's green.
What is its shape? Square or rectangle?
It is rectangular.
Good. Now tell me, who uses it?
Teachers and students use it.
Very nice. Yogaselvan. Can you repeat all the sentences we talked about board?
Yes, sir. It is a board. It is green. It is rectangular. Teachers and students use it.
Good. Thank you, Yogaselvan.